Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to customize your Canva presentation templates with your own images? Canva Mobile makes it easy to replace images in a presentation template and download the final design in different file formats. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to replace images in Canva presentation on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. From the Canva home screen, tap Create, then select Presentation. Choose the presentation template you want to use. The presentation editor will open. Next, select the image you want to replace. Tap Replace. Canva will show different image options that you can use. Select the image you want to add. The new image will replace the previous one. Once you are finished, tap the check icon to save your changes. To save your presentation, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. To change the file format, tap File Type. Select PPTX for a PowerPoint presentation file. You can leave the other settings as the default, then tap Download. Canva will start processing your presentation. And that's how to replace images in Canva presentation on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.